guys, welcome back to another Roblox Rivals video. In today's video, I'm going to show you all of the newest and fully working Rivals codes from the latest Update 21. These codes can give you free keys, exclusive rewards, weapon wraps, skins, and many other awesome in-game items completely free. I've gathered all of the newest active and recently released Rivals codes available right now, so make sure you watch until the very end because you don't want to miss any of these limited time rewards. Every code featured in this video has been tested and confirmed working after the latest Update 21. However, some of these codes may expire at any time, so be sure to redeem them as quickly as possible before they're gone. Before we start redeeming the codes, I'm also hosting a special giveaway for Roblox Rivals players. A few lucky winners will receive free keys, exclusive rewards, premium items, and other amazing prizes. To enter the giveaway, simply like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your Roblox username below. Also, make sure you watch the full video because only active viewers will have a chance to win. As you can see on the screen, I currently have over 1 million Robux, and yes, these giveaways are completely real. Many viewers have already won rewards from previous giveaways, and you could be the next winner. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into all of the newest Roblox Rivals codes from the latest Update 21. If you don't know how to redeem codes, don't worry because it's very easy. Open Roblox Rivals. Tap the shop button, select more, and then press codes. Scroll down until you see the code redemption box, then enter each of the latest codes shown in this video. Make sure you type every code exactly as shown because some codes are case sensitive and won't work if entered incorrectly. Follow along with the video and redeem every available code before they expire. With that said, let's begin redeeming all of the newest and fully working Roblox Rivals codes from the latest Update 21 right now.